The Neurovascular Research Laboratory is interested in how this organ, arguably the most important organ in the body, the brain, controls and regulates blood flow, oxygen and glucose delivery to itself. And we're specifically interested in how this changes with aging and how things get worse, and how exercise can prevent those negative changes, if you like. And much of what we do is interested in trying to maximize this blood vessel's ability to deliver oxygen and glucose to the brain, in particular the older parts of the brainstem and the cerebellum. So we're identifying that exercise is the perfect medicine, in fact, far superior to certain drugs that can stave off the ravages of old age. So this is it's a fabulous physiological integrated translational approach to understand how certain molecules that float around the circulation can then alter blood flow to the brain, and how this influences your ability to think about things, solve problems, almost mental agility, if you like, something we refer to as cognition. And of course, with the advent of dementia and neurodegenerative disease, exercise is a key role to play in preventing all of this.
So the Legal Advice Clinic at the University of South Wales is a student-led pro bono clinic. The clinic opened at the university in 2013, and it was an opportunity for our postgraduate law students to develop a number of skills through the clinic by conducting live client casework, and that takes place at the clinic in the university. But we've also developed a number of community-based projects, so our students have been going out into the community. So these really give the students a number of opportunities, including opportunities to develop their employability skills, which is really at the heart of what we're trying to do in the clinic. But in addition to that, of course, they're really helping to plug a gap in the local community. They really are at the forefront of access to justice, really, in the South Wales Valleys. Yeah.
Katie is somebody who excels in every field in which she works. She is an inspirational teacher. She's a great researcher who does work which has got enormous impact outside of the university.
So I've been investigating issues relating to substance misuse for about 20 years now, and I'm particularly interested in reducing harm among the people who use substances in different ways and different substances. So I've got a particular interest in helping people cope with overdose events. So if they take and consume too much heroin, perhaps in combination with other substances, how can we save them? How can we make sure that they stay alive? And then hopefully we can get them into some treatment and help them to recover and make steps on their recovery journey.
So she is an outstanding scholar who produces work which has got high academic impact. And I know we all talk about impact, but the work that Katie does registers with people who are dealing with the most challenging environments.